We are working on this. What year is this boat, Chris?
89.
An 89. It's a double decker. It's a fun boat. Chris is a friend of mine. We're working on patching up a couple leaks. We had a crack along the nose cone. There's some impact, letting water in. We got that taken care of. And now this, we pressure check. Luckily, there's plugs, so we can put air in. Well, right away, we heard another one. If you come in here close, if you can see this, but this is cracked all along this weld. Basically, the weld held to the upright here, the stanchion for support, but that caused it to pull away from the pontoon here. So we're gonna try to go ahead and we're just gonna TIG right across and just try to put a new weld on the bottom side of this weld. We'll see what happens. Get in here. If you are checking, you think your pontoon's leaking or you know it's leaking, there was water in this one, we knew there were leaks. This is one of the first places to check. If it's not an obvious damage spot, like you beach on the front, you hit something, you crack it, whatever, these welds are one of the most notorious places that I've come across boats leaking. So start there. If you can put air in, awesome. If not, just walk along, get under your boat with a flashlight and check all those welds, because this one, once we looked at it and we saw air coming out and we spray soapy water, bubbles come flying out, it was real obvious looking at it that that's cracked. So check there first. Let's get to welding. We got the TIG torch out, we got things welded up. So first note here, if you come on in, my weld, this is Tom the amateur TIG welder, but this is all sealed up. We checked that with soap suds. However, if we look on the inside, you can still see those soap suds building. There's nothing I can do in terms of that. That's just coming from underneath the weld. So Chris is gonna hit that with some JB Weld or some silicone. JB Weld is a more permanent solution. We can see it's coming from the corner. So I don't think this is ever gonna be a problem again between the TIG weld on the outside here and his JB Weld, just cleaning it up on the inside. I think we're good.